Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl the hair guru and I'm back with another video. Today's video I am doing a wig install from Victoriaswig. The wig, it came in a beautiful black box, and also as you can see in the box there's a beautiful satin drawstring little bag with the little tassel string. It's real pretty. Also in the bag there's the wig is supposed to be glueless. We don't have to glue the wig, but my client requested to be glued. But as you can see, it has the little elastic band and also the attachment to attach the elastic band. The wig is a 20-inch Brazilian curly and it's 150 density. The lace looks so natural. It's an undetectable invisible lace and it's a 13 by 6. I don't even have to plug this lace, or I don't even have to bleach it if I don't want to, but I always like to customize it a little bit to the client's liking. But it looks very natural. So y'all keep watching and y'all stay tuned for the reviews, well, my reviews about this wig. Also, there's a coupon code is going to be in the description bar, so y'all can check that out. Y'all can get y'all a little discount on this wig. But y'all stay tuned for my review, so I'll let y'all know if it's worth purchasing. So stay tuned, and then y'all can leave me a comment at the end of the video. So this is the end of the video, and as y'all can see, the wig is still beautiful. It has a wave pattern because I brushed the curls out, so it looks like small waves. That's my client's request. She wanted the wave pattern, and also it looks a little longer because it's been brushed into the waves. So I would give this wig a go. If y'all want to purchase this wig, don't forget the coupon code is in the description bar. The wig is so beautiful and so soft. And also my client had given me a week later update. She says still soft, still beautiful, no tangle, no shedding. So I guess y'all can go ahead and purchase. And don't forget the discount coupon code is in the description bar. So thank y'all for watching, and until the next video, stay blessed.